Well, good morning. Francis here again with the Texas Roadrunner channel. I thought I'd do another spin-off video again. It wasn't last spring, but the spring before, I went out to East Texas and did a little road trip. And one of the places I stopped by was Tyler State Park. And I enjoyed myself out there. I did some fishing. I got skunk. But I thought I would do a more detailed, in-depth review of the park for you. So here it is, and I hope you enjoy. So on this day I left Cousin Mary Kay's to head on out. And here's the map of Tyler, Texas. It's just north of Tyler, Texas. Just around Interstate 30, go north on Highway County Road 14, which is also known as State Park Road or something like that. And you'll find Tyler State Park to your east. So let's go on in. First of all, we got to stop at park headquarters, you know, pay our fees and stuff. It's not bad, $6 for a day use. And you can pause this anywhere you want to look at the info, but I think everything's pretty reasonably priced. I mean, there's various types of campsites that you can purchase. Screen shelters, and they also have a few cabins. Yeah, don't forget your map. One of the highlights of the park is the bathhouse. There you can change, and of course they have the restrooms there too. And next to it is the park store. You can pretty much get whatever you need there. You know, they got the normal t-shirts, some snacks, some food, and trinkets and whatever. But if you forgot something, well, just hit the store. And of course, I got a refrigerator magnet and something cool to eat. Even though it was springtime, it was getting hot in the afternoon. You can also rent out your paddle boats and kayaks, canoes, and I think I even saw a john boat or two. From reviewing the fees earlier, you noticed that there are different types of campsites. And one of them was, of course, you know, tents, obviously. And you had different setups. I mean, you could have a fire ring and a grill and a picnic table and a lantern holder, just like you see here. And of course, they also have a pretty nice RV area too, full hookups. So let's check out some of the screen-in shelters and the cabins. This is a typical screen-in shelter. And this is a really cool cabin. Let's take a walk on the inside. You have a little microwave and a little refrigerator and a place to eat, of course. Now, nearby was kind of like, not a pavilion, but a place where, you know, you could have big lunches, like big groups, like church groups or whatever. And of course, after you eat, you got the facilities next door. Oh my God, where did he come from? Tyler State Park has a number of trails to hike. you never know what you'll see as far as wildlife is concerned. Heck, I guess this guy had a crazy night. This guy is crazy. Never seen a hippie armadillo before. So let's move on. Yeah, there's a lot of birds of prey out there. Interesting falcon taking care of the rodents. And this owl looks like he also had a crazy night. They do have a frisbee golf course. Oh my God, him? Well, it is East Texas. Let's move on. And there are bike trails, so if you're into mountain biking, this is a park for you. Him again? Oh boy. So on my trip out there, I decided to do a little bit of fishing, right? Got to the pier and started throwing my line out. I fished all morning. I promise you, there really is fish out there. I started out with some top water. Well, I saw a turtle. I saw a lot of brim. And one thing I'll tell you, I saw a bass grab a hold of one of those brim, but I didn't get a picture of it. Of course, the turtles were kind of crazy too. I mean, really crazy. Would you eat a turtle burger? And they do have their own launch site for your boat if you bring your own boat. And the crickets out there, they may be pretty good bait. I don't know. And of course, if you got kids, they have a place to play if they can't catch any fish. And the park started to fill up, so I decided to leave. Well, that's it for this tour. Thank you for joining me. I think it's time to move on to the next adventure. But if you're in Northeast Texas, I highly recommend this park. Although I didn't catch any fish, maybe you will. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the little video tour of the park out there. I apologize for being so late in making this little spin-off video, and I do recommend the park, and watch out for Bigfoot, right? Okay, till next time, y'all take care. I'm Francis Kiefel, and I approved this video.